I'm Edythe Richards. I'm an employee development manager in our human resources department, and I work in the transportation industry. Have a lot of employees who are second language learners, and also individuals at different areas of the organization, some of whom are very highly educated and others who are not college graduates, so some blue collar employees as well. And we wanted to kind of have a consistent approach with our writing across the organization, and everyone's pressed for time. So we were looking for somebody who would give us the tools to be able to implement immediately and use them right away. I really appreciated the strategic big picture approach that Hurley Write uses. And I think any provider can teach basic grammar, basic sentence structure. But what I like about Hurley Write is that they are tailoring their approach and also using our own internal communication and writing samples to teach our employees how to write more concisely in a shorter amount of time. I think the one-on-one coaching was especially helpful for us because everybody has a different challenge. And I do like how the coaching provided some very targeted feedback that our employees could use right away. So I think the biggest change that we're seeing is that people are just more mindful of how they communicate and who their audience is. And there have been some positive changes in the right direction for that so that the other person can truly hear what's trying to be said. Feedback that I got from our employees was that they really enjoyed the interaction with people from, in our case, it's different departments across the organization, people they normally would not interact with, but they are kind of seeing the communication from the other person's point of view. So I think that was very helpful, very insightful. And, you know, anybody can just sit in a lecture and listen to somebody talk, but to make it more tangible, more tactile, I think that really brings the concepts home. I'd say that from the first interaction that I had with MJ, it was a great experience overall. I really felt like MJ, first of all, just listened to what we were trying to do, really understood where we were, and took the time to communicate with us to help us create a product that would work for our organization. And then when we got to know Pam and the other instructors, they're all just very helpful, super easy to work with. And I do believe we will be calling on Hurley Write's expertise in the future. You're really looking to get your employees to understand where they're falling short in their writing. And if you're looking to give, to use the analogy, just teaching the employees to fish rather than providing them a fish, then I think Hurley Write is a great option.